Hey guys, Jeff here with another Canva tutorial, but this one is a little bit of an AI twist. It's using AI, ChatGPT, and Bing Image Generator to help you find inspiring ideas for your content. Let's check it out. So the first thing we want to do is come over to ChatGPT, and whatever your niche is, it could be t-shirts, it can be stickers, it can be cups, mugs. For example, in my store that I have with my wife, we do t-shirts, we do mugs, we do sweaters, things like that. But you might have something else. You want to train ChatGPT to do what you want it to do. Okay, so I'm going to come up with a prompt here right on the fly. Okay, you are a t-shirt designer. Give me 5 AI image prompts for fun t-shirt ideas. Oops, I could spell today. That will inspire positivity, because we do a lot of positivity stuff, PTSD awareness, self-care, things like that. Positive. I cannot spell today. Why we have spell check, right? And I'm just going to hit enter, and I'm going to let ChatGPT do its thing. Now, you'll see, like, for example, this third one right here, it gives you a phrase. I recommend not putting the phrase into Bing AI. You will add the phrase later. I'll show you how to add the phrase later, okay? So let's actually use that one, okay? I'm gonna just copy this right here. It's an abstract geometric happiness, okay? It's an abstract design with bright and bold geometric shapes, circles, triangles, and squares, arranged in a playful pattern. Each shape has a unique smiley face inside with the phrase joy in every shape, subtly embedded in the pattern in sleek modern typography. I'm going to remove that last sentence, okay? So I'm just going to take this, okay? I highly recommend you can try it with the words, but some AI and Bing AI, especially because I've tried it, okay? The words do not come out the way you think they're going to come out. And it's better to add them the way that you want. So I'm going to come over to a Bing AI an image creator, and this is completely free. You get, I believe it's 12 or 15 credits per day, okay? But even if you hit 0, you can still use it. It just takes a little bit longer for the images to generate. So I'm literally going to paste that prompt that I got from ChatGPT into the Bing image creator and just hit create. And then we're going to wait. This is in real time. I'm not going to edit this out. I want you guys to see this in complete real time. You can edit the prompts all you want, okay? If you want to add more to it, if you want to change things, and look at what it gives me. Okay? It gives you 4 of them. You can download them, okay? I'm going to click on, I kind of like the second one right here, and I'm just going to go here and I'm going to download it. That's it. Okay, I'm going to download it right here, hit save, and it's downloaded. That's it. Okay, now I'm going to come over to Canva. This is where I make my designs personally. Okay, as you see, these are just some designs I've been working on. A couple of these are in the store. Some of them I haven't even started yet, as you can see. But I keep them all on a running Canva project, so I don't have I already have 9,000 projects in my Canva, but I'm trying to clean that up a little bit. So I keep mine just on a running list, and I'll get rid of ones that I might not like or that I've already put in the store and saved. So that's just me. So I'm going to come over here to add page. Okay, and I'm just going to click on add page. And I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to go to images, and I'm going to upload files. Okay, and I saved that. I have a folder here somewhere in my Canva tutorial one. So here's the image that we downloaded, okay? And I'm just gonna wait for it to upload, and I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna click on it. You have to have the Pro account to do this, okay? So if you don't have Canva Pro, you'll have to use another background, you're like a freaking online background remover. I don't want to lead you guys astray. Well, I couldn't remove the background. You must have Canva Pro to use Canva's background remover. And I do this out of habit, because if you see, if I click off of it, there's it looks like the background is a little beigeish, maybe a little cream color that I do not want on there. So I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so I'm going to let Canva do its thing again, real time, and look at that. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. And what was that quote that they gave me? Joy in every shape. Okay. Maybe I want to use that. Maybe I want to change it. Maybe I want to add it. But I highly recommend that you add your own text. Okay. Do not have the AI add your own text. So I'm going to do that. Joy in every shape. I'm definitely going to change. Actually, I might drag this down. And we're going to change this. I kind of want to go with something, maybe cursive. Maybe this right here. Oh, that actually looks kind of nice. And you could mess with the colors, play with the colors of the shape. I'm going to drag this out a little bit. I kind of like it like that. I mean, I might mess with the colors a little bit, maybe go to effects right here and add a little curve to it. For those of you that don't know how to do that, you go to effects, curve, and then down here on the bottom left, you can change which way it's curved, right? And maybe drag that down a little bit. So we have the square image, and boom, you added the text. I might mess with the colors. You might have a different style than me. That's totally fine. But we have an inspired image, and maybe you look at these images over here and go, I don't really like that. Okay, maybe I like this one here. Maybe I like this one over here. I'll show you another one that I did using a different prompt. Okay, playful design with a cartoon coffee cup, wearing a headset, holding a game controller. I'm working on some gaming inspired coffee mugs. These, I'm not gonna lie, and I'll be a little crass right now, these are fucking adorable. so I'm going to use a few of these. Okay, I think I use this one here on the far right that I'm working on for a mug, but I'm going to come back to these, and I might throw these on a T-shirt, right? It's a fun little gamer and coffee inspired saying, right? We have some different ones here. This right here, I'm going to put on a coffee mug. I think I actually have it. I could show you guys. I don't mind sharing my designs with anyone. Actually, this is not my coffee mug one. I told you, do not judge my Canva. Okay, I'm going to go to my homepage and show you guys my disaster of a Canva. Okay, here we go. Here's my coffee mug one. Yes, Canva, for my mug creators out there, Canva has a mug template, so you kind of know what you're getting into, and you can see the mugs over here. It's actually kind of cool. Here's that one that I was talking about. It says, press start for coffee. Come on, that's adorable, right? I have some other ones that I'm working on that are going to be personalized, player 1, player 2, right? But this one I want to show you in particular because I got it from AI, okay? I got the design from AI. Sometimes we need that creative spark as shop owners, as creators, and there's nothing wrong with this. So I would download this. I go to share, download. I do it on transparent background. Again, you must have Canva Pro to download in transparent background, okay? And then I do print on demand personally. I use Gelato, and I love Gelato. I'm not affiliated with them at all. It's just a product that I use and that I love. So I would take this image over to Gelato and create the product and put it in my Etsy store, okay? So that is how we use ChatGPT. Bing, right? Bing image creator, and I will put the links and I put the link in the bio for the Bing image creator, okay? And then Canva to create our designs, and then whatever you do with them from there is up to the individual shop owner. If you're on Shopify or whatever, it doesn't matter. I use Etsy personally. We've been on there for about 4 months, but I will put the link to the Bing your creator so that you guys have that down in the comments. I'll also add my mailing list down at the bottom along with my Etsy store link if you want to check out some of our designs. A lot of them are inspired by AI. Sometimes I don't take the image directly. Sometimes I look at it and go, I like that, but I think I could do something different with it. I'll come over to Canva, which is what I use personally, and I'll make it look really pretty. So that is what I have for you guys today. Please let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this. These are new videos for me. But I wanted to kind of share my process, and I wanted to show everyone what you guys can do, because I know there's so many tools out there that sometimes it could be overwhelming, but I wanted to show everyone that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a comment down below if you're using this stuff already, or if you have a different tool you want to share with the community. Thanks for watching, everyone.